Alright, after you've done your cold pill, you're gonna lay the shirt back down. Get your parchment paper. Some people use it straight to garment. I'm gonna put the parchment paper back. Let it. Wow. Gonna flip it so you get the other side. Take your parchment paper. We're gonna use an iron for these. Can use the machine, but keep it simple. Now look, voila. Next, matter of fact, we're gonna use the machine, see how it come out. Nah, never mind. No, we're not. We ain't gonna use the machine. Just gonna keep it simple, get an iron. Kobe, get out my face. That thing heat up. Could have used this, but we're gonna keep it simple. Use the iron. Place your label where you want it, right in the middle. So when they look, they can see your design. Place that right there. Get your parchment paper. And you just iron the middle where the design goes. Make sure you're getting that heat to it. You get all the creases. Corners. So you're getting all the corners. Right. Let it cool off. Once it cool off, give that cold pill. Matter of fact, we might have to do this to be on the safe side. So if you want, you can turn your shirt inside out. And just should have just did this in the first place, maybe. The parchment paper, and just let the iron do its thing. Maybe we're gonna put the neck labels on first next time, so we ain't got worried about the design getting messed up. Man, you gonna do that. Let it cool off. Once it cool off, give it a cool pill. Say give it about 30 seconds, maybe to a minute. It's all up to you, however if you want to be on the safe side. Next, gonna peel. Oh, I got to do this over. That's my fault, see? Make sure we get each corner good. Whew, now that thing hot. Let's hopefully this is good. It's cool. Give it a nice little peel. Bam. Oh, I just realized the L didn't come on. So we're gonna have to, so with that, all you do, you'll just place it back on there and just hit it with the iron again. Just hit it with the iron again. And to be on the safe side, you're just gonna hit it with the press machine. Just the top area where you want your design. Your neck tag. There we go. So Good day. Bada, bada, bada. Yeah, you gonna let that come up. Now we on the money. Shirts available, limited sizes. Tap in.